In this video, I'm going to show you how insanely quick and insanely painless it is to set up a WordPress website using Media Temple's managed WordPress hosting product. In order to do this, the first thing we're going to do is open up a browser and head to mediatemple.net or .org or .com. It really all points to the same domain anyways. We log into our Media Temple account. And within our Media Temple account, we're going to go to the admin of our managed WordPress hosting panel. And within the admin, we see how many websites we've used according to these purple boxes and how many we have left according to these grayed out boxes. If I click the Add a New Site button, this is literally how easy it is. We just need to click on Add New Site. I'm going to go to Create a Site because we're creating a brand new site. We're going to give our website a name. We are going to put in our email address for WordPress to send us notifications if something happens with our website or what have you. This is just the admin email address. We're going to set an admin username and an admin password. I'm not quite sure what was populated automatically, so I'm going to set a new password. And then we click Continue. On the next window, Media Temple is asking us if we want to use one of their themes that they give you. Media Temple packages a bunch of their own themes in with your WordPress install, or if you want to just use a default WordPress theme. For now, I'm going to stick with using the WordPress default theme, since all we're really doing is setting up a WordPress installation. Media Temple is going to give us some information on all the things that we've set up, let us know that everything is okay, and we can click Finish if everything is to our liking. Once I click Finish, Media Temple is actually going to go through the process of setting up WordPress for us, and they give us this nifty little game to play while we're waiting for that to happen. So as I shoot all these little ships, Media Temple is doing all the hard work of setting up a WordPress website for us. And if you've ever tried the 5-minute install, or you've ever tried to mess around with your own WordPress installs on your own hosting that didn't have a push button solution, you'll know that that can sometimes be frustrating. And it takes a little practice in order to get things just right. And a lot can go wrong in that process. But what Media Temple has done is they've taken the pain out of that process by taking care of it for us and giving us this nifty little game to play, which, as you can tell, I've gotten pretty good at this point. All right, and once Media Temple has finished creating our website, we saw that it literally took just a few seconds. We can check out our control panel. What this link will do is bring us back to the area where all of our websites were, and instead shows us a screen for just this individual website. Now, there are a number of tools that we can use within Media Temple to manage our WordPress website. That is beyond what I intended to do in this video, but instead what I do want to show you is where we can access this new website that was set up. What Media Temple does is they create a test domain for us to use, and they give it to us within this domains window. So if I open up a new tab and copy paste that domain that was in my Media Temple admin, we can see the new WordPress website that was set up. And if we want to see the back end, the actual WordPress admin, we can paste that domain in a new tab and add /wp-admin, and it will take us to the WordPress login screen where we can add our admin username and password, and that'll bring us to the back end of our newly created WordPress website. So there you have it, very quick, very painless to get new WordPress websites up and running. It's also very quick and very painless to manage those WordPress websites moving forward. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you in the next video.